Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. So we are starting a new series on Appium gestures using API Inspector Gestures tab. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss about the brief introduction to the Appium Inspector Gestures. Okay, by using this Appium Inspector Gestures we can create the very complex gestures and we can able to run this thing on our application, okay, in the Appium inspector. Okay, so in this series we can create the tap, double click, long press, zoom, swipe, all type of gestures here. So please stay tuned on this one channel. Okay, let's discuss more about this one. Okay, so quickly I open the Appium inspector. So Appium is getting opened. So before creating starting a session, I will run the Appium server. Just click on command prompt and say Appium server. So Appium server is started. So go back to the API inspector and I have a sample capability. Just I have used the platform name as Android and automation name as UI Automator 2. Okay, just click on start session. Okay, see in Appium inspector we have one tab called gestures. Just select the tab. Okay, when you select the gestures tab, we have the default screen has saved gestures. Okay, by using this particular screen we can able to create the gestures and we can able to run on this application, on any application. Okay, and first of all we need to note that, okay, by using this Appium inspector gestures we can able to create, save, execute custom gestures here, and these gestures are identical to the action chain in W3C WebDriver Actions API. Okay, as you know, in our previous videos we discussed about the W3C Actions API. Okay, so I will show that one here. So I can place this videos in a iCard also. See, by using W3C Actions API mainly contains three parts. That is the pointer input class, sequence class and methods class. Means here we are creating the virtual finger here. Okay, when if you watch that video you can understand here. So we are creating the virtual finger. So that type of concept here. Pointer move, pointer down, pointer up, pointer pause. So same thing we are using in our gestures tab. Okay, now when I open this one, the default is a save gestures. Okay, here you can see we do not have any gestures created here. Okay, so we have two options here. The first one is the display single. You can able to create by clicking on this one. User can able to create a new gesture. Okay, that is the way to create a new gesture. Or when you want to upload a gesture file, just click on this icon, and by using we can able to upload the gesture file in a JSON format. Okay, I will show you how exactly the JSON format will look like. Okay, so go back to desktop. So here I have one sample gesture, okay, named demo gesture. Okay, so this is the format in JSON format, how it actually look like. Okay, and this JSON file you can able to upload here. Okay, so coming back to our Appium inspector, when you click on this icon we can able to upload the gesture file which is in the JSON format. Okay, we'll come back to this one later. Okay, first of all we click on the plus symbol to create a new gesture. Okay, so when you click on this gesture it will display the gesture builder screen. Okay, here only you can able to create our gesture file or gestures. Okay, so this is known as a gestures builder screen. Okay, mainly it contains four main parts. Okay, this part, so this exact this part is known as the header. Okay, this particular part is known as the gesture builder header. Okay, in this one we have, okay, title. This is the title of the gesture what we are creating, and this is a description. So we can add the description for the particular title here. Okay, and here in this section we can able to create a gesture based upon the percentage and pixel. Default is the percentage. See, so coordinates of the move actions in screen dimension by percentage means this screen. See, you can see here. Okay, and this is a pixel here. Okay, so if you select default is a percentage, and if you click on the pixel, it says show coordinates of move actions in pixels. So it is show in the pixels here. If you go here, it is shows in the percentage. Okay, so default is a percentage. Okay, and these two buttons. Okay, and the next one is the play. Okay, this play button, when you create the gesture, I want to play the gesture. How we can able to do? We just click on this button, play button. We can able to run the gesture. So we can see in this video. Okay, and we have the save as. Okay, the save as, when we create a gesture and I want to save it, I can able to click on the save as. Okay, and you can able to see one more button which is in disabled. That is a saved. That is save. Okay, that is a save button. So this save button can be enabled when we edit the gesture. Okay, when you are editing the gesture, the save button will enabled here. Okay, now when you are creating a gesture, it is in disabled position. Okay, this is all about the header part. Okay, the next part is this is the part, you can see the question mark symbol, right? This is known as the gesture timeline. Okay, this is known as the gesture timeline. When we are creating new gesture, in a red circle with question mark is shown. Okay, this is below the gesture description here. Okay, this is the gesture timeline here. Okay, and you can see how exactly we can able to use this one. Okay, and the next one is this section, whatever I am circling it here, this section is known as the pointer tab. Okay, pointer tab. Here we can able to name you can say index finger. Okay, like that we can able to name this pointer here. Index finger, little finger, all these things we can name. As we know, here right in your what to say, in our W3C API section, we are naming this finger right here by using this line. See, by using this code. Okay, by using this code, we are naming the finger, right? We have seen this in this example. Okay, the same thing we can able to do here. Okay, here default it's showing the pointer 1. You can able to edit this one. Okay, I can name this pointer 1 as we require. Okay, we'll see this one also. Okay, the next one, okay, is the pointer actions. So when you create a pointer here, for the particular pointer, we can able to associate the actions here. Okay, and in this pointer action section, we have a drop down here. So we have drop down and we have 4 options: move, pointer down, pointer up, and pass. Okay, so by using these 4 actions, we can able to create the pointer actions here. Okay, so we'll see how we can able to use this one also. Okay, and next, now coming to our, and suppose this is the first action, right? We have see plus symbol here. So we can able to say add. We can able to add the action here. Okay, when you just click on this one, so you get action. So we can click on this one, you can able to get action. So like this. Okay, so we can able to add the action. If you want to delete it, click on this delete. Okay, so in this series, we can see we can use all the options, and we can create all the complex and simple and complex gestures. Tab, double tap, zoom, swipe, scroll, everything we can able to create here. Okay, and you can test it on our UAT, that is the application under test. AUT, sorry, it is AUT, app under test. Okay, so we can create this gestures and you can test on this app. Okay, and remember that the gestures are generated in the W3C Actions API. Okay, so now we can create a one demo gesture. Okay, now I'll go to this section, that is the header section, and this is untitled gesture, right? I just click on this one and I give a title here. So I say demo 1 gesture. Okay, so I give in the title, the description. Okay, so description I can add it here. Okay, I say added this gesture for demo purpose. So I give in a short description for this one. This is a title, this is a description. Okay, now I want to create the gesture based upon the pixel. So just select the pixel. The default is a percentage and it's a pixel. Now I want to click on pixel. Now the pointer one, right? Now what I want to do, I keep this pointer one like this only, and okay, I not want to change this one. Okay, next pointer will change. Okay, now I want to add action. So what action will do it? So the first action, first of all, I want to move this finger on the mobile screen. Okay, so I want to move this finger on mobile screen. See, my finger is here. Think physically. Okay, well, my finger is here. I want to move this finger on this mobile screen. So how I can be able to do? By using the action type move. Okay, I am moving it. So where? Which x and y coordinates? Means where I have to move my finger here. Here. So I am moving my finger here on the views. So just click on that one. If you click on this particular element, it will show the x and y coordinates. That is you can see here. See x and y coordinates here. As you know, right, x and y coordinates are calculated from the top left corner of the mobile screen. So if you click on this one, it says this is the C. It is 405.1782. Okay, so I got a coordinates as per the pixel option. Okay, and the action is move, means I am moving the finger here, and this is the time, that is the milliseconds. Okay, this time is calculated in the milliseconds here. Okay, and we'll see how exactly you can change this time, all these things. So I am moving my finger here. Okay, and second one, the second action I want to add. Okay, I want to add here. Okay, you can see here we have this one. See, you can get it also. It says toggle setting coordinates by clicking on the screenshot here. So I can change it also here. Okay, by using this one. Okay, like this. See, no, I don't want this one. So I want to click on this animation. Okay, so what I will do, I click on here, otherwise I can do it on here. Okay, now I can click on it, not move. See, it is disabled because it is disabled here. See, I cannot able to move here. But if I want to move, I don't want to click on this animation. So I want to click on this text. If I click on here, it not work. Just click on this, okay, icon, and just click on this. I want to click on this media. See? Now my pointer is moved, and you can see the corresponding x and y coordinates also changed. Okay, this is how we can able to create this one. Okay, now if you want to add one more action, just select this one and add any action here, pointer down or any action. See, pointer down, we have two options, left and right. The default is left. Okay, and next is option is a right. Okay, and we see what exactly the use of this one. Okay, and now I had done for the pointer one, right? Okay, now what I want to, I not like this pointer one, I want to make it in a proper way. So I say index finger, means I can able to edit this one. Okay, and I want edit, I want to say instead of pointer one, I want to say index finger. Okay, and remember that it has the space constraint, means it has a number of characters it occupies. Okay, so you can say I not able to type the R. So you can just count how many are there. 6 and 10 means this pointer, this particular field accepts only 10 characters. Okay, 10 characters it able to accept here. Okay, and I can able to rename this pointer 1 to the index finger. Okay, and you can see here, so when you discuss, right, you have seen this section previously it was question mark, right, circle with question mark, but when I add this one, when I add the action type here, it changed correspondingly. So you can see the symbol move, this symbol is move. Okay, and this symbol, see, this symbol is down, this symbol is down. See when you move mouse over it, says move, duration is 0 milliseconds, x is the 409 pixel and y is the 1070 pixel, the same thing what we have given here, just if mouse over it also. So this is move and this is the pointer down. Now what I will do, I will create one more action type and say pointer up. See, you can see here question mark, means question mark here means not defined, action type is not defined. When I select this one, it will change here. This is question mark will change to up, means I am within the pointer up here. Okay, now next one is the, I set all 4 here, so I say pass. See, when I say pass, it changed here. Okay, once again I will do it. See, I will add the, click on add action type, so select the, see question mark, just click on this one and create a pass. You can see that it will change here. Okay, this is a pass. So all 4 will be selected here, all these 4 actions. By using this action type, we can able to create lot of gestures. Okay, we'll see, it will be fun. Okay, we'll see, we can create a tab, double tap, long press, zoom, okay, zoom out, and swipe, scroll, every gestures we can able to create. Okay, so by using these 4 action types, this is just like a virtual finger, means move, down, after means down means press, wait for few seconds and then lift, that's it. So it's mimicking the virtual finger. Okay, so this is how we can able to add the actions here, and this is how we can able to change the, we can edit the pointer 1 name also. Okay, and this is how it look like the gestures timeline. This is known as gestures timeline. This is gestures time, means this is the first gesture, this is the second gesture, and this is third gesture, and this is the third gesture, means actions, not sorry, it is actions. Okay, so this is timeline. First this will execute this one, next this one, and next this one, and next this one. So this is a gesture timeline. This particular section is known as gestures timeline. Okay, so here what I have created, we have created one, by using the gesture builder, we have created one demo 1 gesture here. Okay, and if you want to run it, you can run it also here. Okay, so now it is not in proper way, so what I will do, I will add in proper way here. Just I want to click on here. Okay, so I want to move here and I say press here. Okay, I want to say down, that's it. Okay, now I say I want to save it. Okay, now it not still not saved, but I want to run it. Okay, so see it click on it, media. It just perform the one action here. Okay, and we'll see how we are able to do the tap, everything. Okay, okay, this is just a brief introduction about the gesture. Okay, now what able to, I want to save this one. Okay, save this demo 1 gesture file. Okay, so how I can able to save, just click on this save as. Okay, it's saved. See, it says gesture saved as demo 1 gesture. Okay, let's close this pop-up and you can see. So previously when we came to this gesture tab, it was saved gestures is empty. Now we have the gesture name, that is the title, description, created date, and actions. Okay, in this action sections I can able to play the gesture. So I will click on, it will play. Okay, but we not created gesture properly, so I created one dummy gesture here. Okay, in our coming videos I can create the tap, double tap, all this thing, and we will see how I can run it also. Okay, and I want, this is a play, default is the selected play, and it is a edit. We can, if you click on this one, you can able to edit, and this is the download. We can able to download this gesture file in our local system, and it is a delete. Okay, now what I will do, I will edit it here. So we can able to edit also. So I want to change the milliseconds, I say 10 and save. You see, now the save button is enabled because we are editing a existing gesture. So that's why the save button is enabled. Just click on save. Okay, they say gesture saved. Okay, now what I will do, and I want to go back to the gesture here, so this is save. Okay, gesture save, and just click on here, so it went back. Okay, now I see in the play, edit, and I download. So I want to download, just click on this one. Okay, and I say gesture demo 1 gesture here. Okay, so automatically this gesture prefix is added. Okay, so our title is the gesture demo 1 gesture, but this gesture, okay, it is prefixed here. Okay, I want to save in my desktop. Okay, I want to save the desktop here, and now what I will do, I will delete this one. Okay, if you delete it, you can see it asks confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes, or cancel first, then I want to delete. So it is deleted, but I saved the gesture, right? So previously we created gesture here. Now I want to upload the gesture. So click on this icon, and it will show the gesture files. So this is the gesture which I created previously, demo gesture, and which we created in this video. This is a gesture demo 1. Just select this one, and I will show how I get the gesture file also. Please just cancel here, go to desktop. See, this is the what we created gesture. Just open it here, and it shows the JSON format. It contains a name, description, actions, means action type we have provided, right? It says name. See, the name, the pointer one I changed to index finger. See, okay, and ticks means this is actions here. Okay, so this is the information provided in the JSON file. Just close this one and go back to the Appium inspector and just say upload gesture file, which is in a JSON format. So I want to select this one and say open. That's it. Okay, I want one more. See, one more file. See, demo file, demo gesture. See, this is how. So this is how we can able to create the gesture file, and we can able to upload the gesture file. In our coming videos, we will see to create the gestures. We create a lot of different type of gestures. Okay, so stay tuned on this one channel. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and happy learning. Bye. Thank you.